those who have experienced higher levels of math anxiety tend to perform more poorly on math tasks. There's some research that suggests that individuals who are math anxious are less likely to enter the STEM fields, so science, technology, engineering, and math, suggesting a level of avoidance in career choice.
Are the developmental trends of math anxiety, does it decrease in adulthood?
So it tends to spike at different points in time. So like in high school, for example, we tend to see a slight increase and kind of a decrease generally around middle school, but overall it's something that affects people across the lifespan, even into adulthood.
Specific populations or demographic groups that are more prone to math anxiety?
So particularly at the elementary school level, so previously I just mentioned that having a teacher who's math anxious is a risk factor for developing math anxiety, and this tends to impact females more strongly than males, but it certainly doesn't discriminate. It can affect anyone.
What are some effective interventions to reduce math anxiety?
So there are two main camps of interventions for math anxiety. So those who approach it very pedagogically, or like from an education perspective, things like tutoring and things like that, which can improve math performance, but doesn't necessarily reduce math anxiety. And then there's another field that looks at more emotion-based interventions for math anxiety. So for example, classroom-based mindfulness training is something that part of my research has looked at and also shown benefits. So there's actually a lot of benefits for more emotionally focused interventions for math anxiety, both in the classroom and individually as well.